Hello friends, welcome to BISP trainings and I am Ashwin. Today many of us or many people who belongs to IT field, they want to change their technology or technical field, or many people are those who want to change the field to learn new technologies. Now the question is, which field do we choose? Because we need a criteria or a clear picture on the basis of which we can take decisions to change the technology. Today in the market, there are so many technologies, but everyone is not having that much information of market trends. And it is not necessary that everyone is updated with the market trends. So we solved this problem by developing and introducing our new application, that is Opportunity Analytics. This application helps you to search your field. This product shows you that which technology is in top demand, which technology is getting highest salary, and in which country the specific technology is demanded. It shows you the technology wise data, it shows you the salary wise data. Now, how did we do it? We extracted the data from popular job sites in the form of Excel sheet like monster.com, naukri.com, indeed.com. We extracted the data and then we pushed every data in database table. Then with the help of Python and data science, we show the technology vacancy in the form of graph and charts. Let's have a look on this slide. Opening by technology and opening by locations. Now, if this type of chart is presented, then it would be easy for you to select the technology, to see the market trend, that what technology is in current demand, where the technologies are in maximum demand. So you can choose your location, you can choose your technology on the basis of your experience, on the basis of your salary. Let me show you the live application. Here is the live application. Yes, this is my dashboard. I have already logged in. Now on the top bar you will see opportunity, predictive analysis, time series analysis, forecasting analysis. Opportunity means here I have already inserted the data taken from those websites, and like this Java visualization CRM. Let's take an example of Java, and Java in the month of 2019 September data is shown here, opening in the month of September last year. This application shows the data on the historical data. So here on this first graph you will see openings by technology. That means how many technologies or how much vacancies are there in this particular technology in the last year September month. After that, openings by location. Here you will come to know about how many technologies, how many vacancies are there in Bengaluru, that is 21. How many vacancies are there in Delhi, that is 21. So in this way you can search location wise. Experience range by location. Experience means here two words comes, experience and location. Experience by range means here if you see in Bengaluru 1 to 3 years experience, 5 vacancies are there. That means in Java technology 5 vacancies are there in Bengaluru for those who are having 1 to 3 year experience. Similarly in Bengaluru there are 3 vacancies for those who are having 3 to 8 experience in the field of Java. So this type of three-dimensional data is also shown in this chart. Now here Pune, that means in Pune there are 4 vacancies in Java technology, those who are having 8 to 12 years experience. Like this. You can filter here also. So JavaScript provides you, Chart.js provides you much flexibility. Salary range by experience, salary and experience. Here it was experience and location. Here salary and experience. Now here you can see 1 to 4 lakh per annum. That means 1 to 4 lakh per annum is given to those who are having 3 years experience, and the vacancy of these technologies are 102. Similarly, this salary, 4 to 8 lakh salary are offered to those who are having 3 years experience, and the salary package will be 50 lakh per annum. So this was all about salary by range and salary range by experience. After that, technology top 5 company. Here we have shown you the top 5 companies which are having maximum vacancies. For example, in the last month, now 2019, Wipro was having 16 vacancies or openings. Whereas at the same time, Oracle was having 10 vacancies. So this was all about opportunity. We can change the month according to our requirement. You want to see the July month last year, what was the status? Here you will see the status. Just a second. Yes, here another status is populated. So this was all about opportunity. Number second, let's come to a predictive analysis. Predictive analysis means prediction for the future. That is here prediction. Just a second. Predictive analysis for different technologies where the blue dots showing actual experience. Blue dots are showing actual experience. Dotted line. Dotted line shows the prediction, polynomial prediction, and the dark line, it shows the linear prediction. Now, here we have used the regression algorithm. I will explain you what is regression algorithm in deeply in my later videos. And now come to the time series analysis. Time series analysis means the observations taken after a certain time period. For example, if I take the observation of like Java technology in 2019 July, after 1 month or after 30 days, I take the observation of Java technology, that is this, like in June core Java 53 vacancy, in June J2EE 50 vacancy. Similarly, after 30 days in July core Java 53 vacancy, in July J2ME J2EE 50 vacancy, like this. So this was the time series analysis. Time series means taken observation taken after certain time and it becomes a series. Opening by location also here in the month of May, June, July, August, October, November. It shows the readings, whatever the reading was in the month of June, in the month of July. So like this time series analysis here. In the experience range also you will see 1 to 3 years experience, 42 vacancies are there in July. Similarly, salary, October month, 4 to 8 lakh salary, there are 56 jobs are there. That means maximum jobs in October month. And similarly, top 5 company. Top 5 company means these are the companies. For example, Wipro, red color, yes. Wipro, yes. Wipro is having maximum vacancies. Like here, Wipro salary, 25 openings are there. So in this way, time series analysis are done. Forecasting. Forecasting is the process of making predictions of the future based on the past and present data, and most commonly by analysis of trends. So forecasting means forecasting the future, whatever the condition is today and what will be in future. So in my later videos, I will explain you all these 4 parts: opportunity, predictive analysis, time series analysis, and forecasting analysis. So I would recommend you to keep watching my videos, and along with the functionality, I will show you how the code works behind the screen, how the code works. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and keep on watching my next videos. Thank you.